When someone has a construction accident, oftentimes they're very confused, they're very upset, they're angry, they may be missing work because of their injuries, and they're really worried about what the future is going to hold. After a construction accident, what we do to really lower the stress level is sit down, meet, talk about your case, understand exactly what happened, and then put together a plan for your claim so that you can get the best outcome possible. When you have a construction accident injury claim, some of the biggest mistakes we see people make is, number one, not documenting what happened, whether that's taking photographs, whether that's making sure incident reports are created or police reports are made. And then the biggest mistake is not contacting a trial lawyer. It's important to get a construction accident trial lawyer, because trial lawyers will prepare your case from the beginning to be presented to trial. If the case can't be resolved with the insurance company, then the insurance company needs to know that you and your lawyer will present the case to a jury if that's what's needed. If you've been injured in a construction accident, you may be wondering, how's the best way to go about finding a construction accident lawyer? It's important, number one, to find an injury lawyer that handles only injury claims, as opposed to a lawyer that handles all kinds of other different types of cases. It's important to find a lawyer who's experienced in construction cases and understands exactly how to pursue those cases and can be successful with those cases. It's also important to find a construction accident trial lawyer. Trial lawyers will prepare your case for trial from the very beginning. That's important because insurance companies know which lawyers will go to trial and which ones will not. And it's important to have a lawyer that will present your case to trial and will be ready to do so if the insurance company is not fair and reasonable with your case. If you've been involved in a construction accident and you're putting off contacting a lawyer because you're worried that you can't afford one, the good news is that we do free consultations. So you can meet or talk with us at any time so that we can talk through with you about your accident, understand what happened, and come up with a plan for you to move forward. If you decide to work with us, we work on a contingent fee, meaning you don't owe us any fees unless your case is successful, and then we take our fees at the end. Also, we handle the expenses of your case as it goes along, and so we don't ask you to cover those expenses or be burdened with those expenses. As your case goes along, we recoup those at the end if we're successful. One thing I can guarantee you is that no matter what happens, you're never going to owe us a dime unless we're successful with your case. We handle all of the insurance claims and everything having to do with your case. We can take those things off your plate. You can focus on getting better.